This is also pointing of you. That's why. Okay. Give me first name for reading the heading.
अपना रखू भाणो दा खीर गल में टोपी फट से मार देती फट से
Zaki,
मैम ये लिखना है।
just mute your mic. Huh? Don't
मैम ये लिखना है।
Right now, first I'm explaining. Then I will give the time to write. Zaki, are you giving me name to read the heading?
ओके मैम 2 मिनट्स। मेहंदी रजा।
When to read the heading?
Yes, ma'am.
चारण
Give the word from the expanded nation of these numbers.
And this is notation, huh? Notation. Notation for these numbers. So there are two questions in one question only. Before and this one word form. So word form means it is given in the figure. The question is given in the figure, you have to write in words. And suppose if it is given in words, so you can write in figure also. Then second question is expanded notation, means expanded form. And expanded form means that place value of each digit. Place value of each digit. So now first we will revise name of the places. So Zaki, give me one name that person will revise name of the places.
जवाब
Jawad. Okay. Jawad, do you remember name of the places? Once, tens, that once, then tens.
बोल जाओ मैम पूरा 2 सेकंड में।
Jawad,
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am.
other what?
चैट बॉक्स में जवाब का तो नेम ही
Ma'am, मुझे
चाहिए।
काम है.
What, Anas?
1, 10, 11।
Ma'am, मैं बोलूं?
Nahi, Anas. No. First, let me ask to some students that I have told that you revise.
मैम चैट बॉक्स में उसका नाम ही नहीं है जवाब का।
चैट बॉक्स में नाम ही नहीं है।
So what? I want.
सज्जाद
Zaki can give the name that way also. Because I think so those who are writing the name in that
सज्जाद
way only giving answer. That's why. Okay.
शेख सज्जाद।
Sajjad, do you also have you learned name of the places which I said?
Yes, ma'am.
Then good. Now say.
Once, tens.
Sajjad, your mic is not working, then you can write in chat box answer. Then Zaki will tell me your answer from chat box. I think so today also your mic is not working. If you are already using hands free, don't use. And if you are not using, then use. Because every day your mic is not working. Okay, Zaki, you also revise name of the places.
मैम खाली वंश आयु सजीव।
Very slow.
मैं मोहम्मद अब्बास।
Mohammad Abbas, did you learn name of the places?
यस मैम। यस
You
मैम।
can say.
वंस टेंस 100 1000 10,000 लाख 10 लाख करोड़।
Very good, excellent. So that name of the
मैम
place we will use here, and that's why I force you to learn. So first we will
ओके
see
मैम।
first question, which is one two, and that we will write in words also, and then we will write the expanded notation, means expanded form.
ओके मैम। मैम आप जैसे लिखना है हमको भी वैसा लिखना है।
But first you have to write heading Give the heading and only question 1.
मैम
लिख डाला।
बुक में
मैम अभी लिखना है के बाद में?
Right now only. We will solve one
मैम
one.
मैम
मैम क्वेश्चन लिख डाला, अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 भी लिख डाला
मैंने लिखा
नीचे।
चुका है फेयर बुक में।
हेलो
मैम
मैम
ये not given the heading. Give the heading.
दे दिया।
जैन
Yes, who was calling me?
मैं
रोशनी
ये
मोहम्मद रजा।
Yes, say.
इसके पहले क्वेश्चन 1 है, इसके पहले क्वेश्चन 2 के पहले।
हाँ,
हाँ
इससे
पीडीएफ
question
भेजी है
1 था
मैम ने।
जो करवाया था last time.
मैम कौन सा नोट्स में?
Notes I had given in homework before few days. Then question 1 we had done in last
मैम
lecture. Yes.
मैम
मैम ये क्या कर दिया है? मैंने 2 पेज छोड़ दिए।
मतलब for which question you have leave 2 pages?
नोट
हाँ, for notes you can leave 2 pages. Then question 1 you can leave half page.
लिख डाला सब कुछ।
Question 2 you have written, no?
नहीं, हाँ
Then
नहीं
it's
है।
okay. I think so. For notes you will need 1.5 page. For notes 1.5 page. Then other half page you can write question 1. It will take 2 pages only. Don't
चलेगा
worry.
ना?
हाँ, 2 pages are enough for that.
मैम
Yes.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एंड नोट्स।
हाँ. Who was calling me? Okay, now I'm explaining. I think so. All of you have written this.
मैम फेयर बुक में लिखना है कि रफ बुक में?
Obviously, fair book. I said no. Okay, those who have maintained the fair book, they can directly write in the fair book.
हम डाल दिया उसने पूरा सही आंसर।
मैम मैम उसने डाल दिया पूरा सही आंसर सज्जाद ने।
जवाब
सज्जाद।
मैम यहाँ किसमें लिखना है?
Fair book. Because two time if you
पहले नहीं
write,
आता उसको बराबर करोड़ का।
I am teaching. Wait. So that day I told you when you have to write in words. So what you will do first? You will write name of the places down.
हाँ हम भी लिखे
This
नेम ऑफ द प्लेसेस।
don't copy this. I'm just explaining. Right now you don't have to write. So now stop writing.
ओके।
Put your pencil. Now I'm writing name of the places once, then tens, then hundred, then thousand, then 10,000, then lakh, and then 10 lakh. So normally how we put the comma now, the same way we have to draw a line. I'm drawing the line like this, and now we will read this name. Now this you have to read it together with place. So this is how many? 67. And what is the name of the place? Lake. So 67 lake that way. Okay, from we will start from here. Okay, from which we will start writing in the words. From which side, left or right?
मैम लिखना है अभी?
I am explaining, and I am asking the question
राइट
also.
साइड मैम राइट साइड।
When you have to write name of the places, so start from right, name of the places. But when you have to write no in
मैम
words,
अनस देखो कितनी बड़ी बड़ी नेम लिखता है स्क्रीन ही
what
नहीं दिख रही।
what happened?
अनस का एक बार मैम चैट बॉक्स में देखो।
Hey, don't write the message again and again, please, everyone.
मैम चारनिया मोहम्मद रेहान कब से? चारनिया कब से मेहंदी रजा मेहंदी रजा मेहंदी रजा मेहंदी रजा कर रहा है?
You do that only, complaining of each other and not focusing here. Then when exam will
पहले
come,
भी इतना
FA1,
बड़ा दिखा मिस।
now enough. Now no one will do complain also and no one will write in the chat box also. When I say at that time only. Right now, don't write in the chat box. So we will start from left side, 67. So what is the spelling of 67? That the one student will say. Zaki, give me one name. That student will tell me spelling of 67 because we are starting from here.
Muhammad Reza download.
Whose name you said?
Yes. Muhammad Reza download.
Okay.
Muhammad Reza download.
Okay. Dawudani Muhammad Raza, you have to tell me spelling of 67.
SIST1 60 SEVEN 767.
Okay, very good. Now next name Zaki.
Ma'am, Anas.
Whose name?
Anas.
Anas. Okay, Anas, just now Dawudani Muhammad Raza said spelling of 67. You have to tell me about this leg. Spelling of leg.
Spelling of leg LACK.
That also you can say. And
LAKE lake.
maybe the another word which I have written in my notes. If you have written the notes in
Miss
Facebook, then
Matlab.
maybe you know. Do you remember the in notes which spelling I had given?
LAKH.
मैम यार दूसरे मैम दूसरे
Because if you have written the notes carefully, then maybe you know that I had given the full form also of all the places and other definition in that also. So this is about 67 like. Now next name, Zaki. That student will tell me spelling of 9 and then 1000.
मैम अभी लिखो इसको
After we all will finish the answer, you can copy the answer.
मैं बोल मैम गोगड़ा मोहम्मद रजा
Whose name?
गोगड़ा मोहम्मद रजा
Okay, whose name you said? Now please say the spelling of 9 and then 1000. What?
मैं बोलूं
अभी नहीं होगा मैम, अभी ध्यान देना है.
जो स्क्रीन में दिख रहा है वो लिखने का है
Spelling of 9 and then 1000. Say the spelling of 9 and then 1000. Don't waste the time. Because we have finished 67, like now 9 and then 1000. Say
वो देव जाने
NINE 9 THOUSND.
वो देव जाने है गोगला ये देव जाने है मैम
10,000 10,000 9,000
जैनब मैम
what?
वो मैम देव जाने है गोगला नहीं है
Okay, no problem. He will say the next one. Zaki, tell me the next name. Now that student will tell me about 6 and then 100.
मैम इसमें तो दो जोड़ी नाम लिख रहे हैं एक जवाद और एक मोहम्मद रजा दावदानी
मैम मैंने अभी 3-4 बार लिख दिया, अब भी नहीं पूछा.
मैम मैंने भी लिखा मैम
It's okay. Don't see their names from chat box. See from ID only. Don't see the chat box. Zaki, don't see the chat box. Just see their ID and give me any name.
मोहम्मद रजा केसवानी
Keshwani Muhammad Raza. Keshwani Muhammad Raza, do you know the spelling of 6 and then 100?
हाँ
Keshwani Muhammad Raza, spelling of 600.
600
What is the spelling of 600? First, tell me the spelling of 6.
SIX
Then spelling of 100.
HUNDRED.
Okay, very good. Now next name Zaki. That student will tell me spelling of 54.
FIFTY 50 FOUR 4
What is
54.
that?
मैं बोलूं?
I said turn wise. Yes, Zaki.
रोहन.
Ruhan, okay. You tell me about 54, the spelling of 54.
FIFTY 50 4 है ना मैम?
Yes.
FOUR 4 54.
Okay. So this we have written in words. It is very easy. Whatever is
मैम
the
ये
question.
लिखना है.
Who is that?
गोगड़ा रोहन.
रोहन गूगल.
Why you are very eager to write?
रोहन.
To write and just
गोगड़ा
understand.
रोहन.
Ruhan નથી हो ना? ખબર ન એને સ્કૂલમાં.
Quite.
रोहन सॉरी.
Rohan, please concentrate here and focus here. Don't again and again ask me about writing. So again I'm explaining how you will write in words. So this question is given in figure. I have written name of the places and hope now everyone have learned. And if you have not learned, then today anyhow learn name of the places. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Then after writing name of the places, divide the question like this and then first start from this side, means left side. 67, write the spelling of 67, then write the spelling of leg, then write the spelling of 9.
मैं मुझे
Spelling
कुछ समझ में नहीं आया.
This is the question.
क्वेश्चन लिखना है ये वाला. बाद
Then
में
name of the places.
नीचे नेम के प्लेसेस लिखने हैं. लिख डाला.
Divide
ऐसा
like
ही
this.
मतलब.
Then line like this.
कर
Follow?
डाली.
Huh. Then start reading from this left side. What is 67? So write the spelling of 67. Then which
Leg.
place is this lake? So write the spelling of that place. Then how many
समझ
is
गया.
9?
मैम ब्लू पेन या ब्लैक?
Means right now I'm just explaining now. तो अभी कुछ लिखना नहीं है, but जब तुम्हें कुछ ना आता हो ना तब ऐसे कर सकते हो. If you know directly without writing
मुझे
the
लगा लिखना है.
नहीं ऐसे डायरेक्टली ऐसे लिखना है. See, this is question 2 answers. 67,09,654. सीधा ऐसे ही लिखना है. बट अगर तुम्हें डायरेक्ट ना आता हो, then you can
क्वेश्चन
write the question, write the name of the places, you can divide, and then you can
हमको
start.
क्वेश्चन लिखना है कि नहीं?
मैम मुझे आता है.
Then good. If you already know how to write in words, then well
मैम
and good.
क्वेश्चन लिखना है.
Yes, of course. So now other
लिखना
question
है.
you have to try right now. And how many minutes you want to try next questions? Say. Do you want to?
मेरा हो चुका है ये सब.
What?
मैम मेरा सब कुछ हो चुका है क्वेश्चन 3 तक.
Okay. And other students? If you want to try
बाकी है
right
मैम.
now, if you want to try right now, then tell me how much time you want to try B, C, and D.
10 minutes.
Oh, 10 minutes. बाप रे. Means for
तो
one
और क्या करेंगे?
or more than that minute. But that is
मैम
too
ऊपर
many.
जो मैम ऊपर जो आपने वो दिखाया था ना अभी,
क्या दिखा है?
वो दिखाओ ना.
ये
हाँ ओके. अब
मैम इन फेसबुक
लिख के. मैम बदल क्यों डाला?
नहीं, that is answer. Then you will copy B, C, D from that. And I want that you will try
मैम तो
to
पहले नीचे 0 0 लिखना है वो.
try in rough book. B, C, D, because I don't know that you are confident
नो
of.
मैम, मैम वो
मैम मेरा तो
आपने जैसा लिखा है वो क्वेश्चन में लिखना है और नीचे आंसर लिखना है।
हाँ,
मैम मेरा तो फेयरबुक में लिख रहा
डन।
हूँ।
नहीं but I don't
57 लिखना है, मतलब ये क्वेश्चन लिखना है, उसके नीचे ये लिखना है
हाँ,
10 लाख 10 लाख 10 करोड़।
yes,
ओके
because then only you will understand how to write in words.
मैम 15 मिनट का टाइम दे दो, फटाफट से हो जाएगा।
बोलो इतनी सारी minutes. Now do that in homework. That many minutes if I will give them. Even I have to teach this also, expanded notation. Now understood now about words, how to write in words. So I will teach this one, expanded notation. Shall I rub?
नो
नो मैम।
कुछ समझने तो दो, बाद में रफ कर देना।
I think so more than 4-5 times I have explained. And even mostly all the two people told me that spelling.
आपने ऐसे था।
Now don't try everyone. Together you can try. Yes.
मैम मैंने तो स्क्रीनशॉट कर लिया है।
Bolo. Very bad.
ओके मैम।
आंसर का भी।
Now I will not show that answer again.
मैम एक बार आंसर दिखाओ ना।
No, then you also understand.
मैम मेरे पास तो बुक होती है।
Yes,
मैम आप इसकी पीडीएफ भेजोगे?
हाँ. But not today.
क्या मैम?
Exam will be here.
मेरे पास
पीडीएफ नहीं भेजोगे?
मैम
Because it's
आंसर भी है।
मैम आप पीडीएफ नहीं भेजोगे?
मैम एग्जाम क्या होता है, स्कूल देना आनी पड़ेगी
नहीं ऑनलाइन.
यानी इस क्लास में लेक्चर पे?
See, if I will
Ma'am.
send PDF note, then you will copy from that. I don't want that you will copy it.
मैम
हम
दिमाग
तो
चलाया।
Now I'm rubbing this because
आप
I
पीडीएफ भेजोगे?
PDF I will send, but after few days because then you will copy from PDF, and I don't want that you will copy paste.
तो अभी ये लिखना है
मैम
ना?
मेरे पास तो बुक है।
Ah, but Ruhan, then also don't copy paste if you have textbook or any book. Don't
तो
copy.
अभी ये लिखना है ना?
तो एकदम
मैम आपके साथ में लिख दूं तो चलेगा?
This is the notation. This we have completed. Word form. Now expanded notation. Expanded notation means that place value of each digit.
मैम मैं आंसर लिख डालूं, मेरे पास स्क्रीनशॉट है।
I hate copy paste.
ये ना 50-50 મને રાખને ચેટ બોક્સ માં નાખ।
મેમ છે હમે મેમ છે તોય કઈ નથી થતું।
Medium I can even because I think so from someone's home the TV is on and that's why that noise is coming.
600 के बाद क्या है?
Wait.
600 54 वो तो है, वो तो पता है।
Medium I can even first. I want to give
उसमें 5 लिख के 1 10 लिखना है।
you can do. I was saying that those who have taken screenshot or those who have answers, please don't copy paste because it doesn't look good. No, if you will copy paste, then how you will learn? Unless you also, if you have taken screenshot, don't copy paste.
હાલે અત્યારે બધું।
No, Hale, nahi. You should not copy paste. Anas,
हम 6th में કેમ
मैम
જાઉં?
मैंने भी स्क्रीनशॉट कर लिया।
मैम आपने जो एक आंसर लिखा है वो क्वेश्चन ही है ना?
मैं स्क्रीनशॉट पर लेकिन मैं कॉपी नहीं करेंगे बस।
let's see. I will do one thing that.
कोई भरोसा
मैम।
नहीं है हमें।
सही ना
What?
मैम?
Yes.
ये आपने जो आंसर लिखा है एक का वो एक का ही है ना?
वो एक का वर्ड फॉर्म था and now expanded notation.
ये आंसर लिखा है वो लिखने का है ना?
I'm now.
मैम
So we will start from here.
मैम आप आंसर लिखा ले हो?
हाँ,
मैम
this
क्या
one, हाँ.
बोला था अभी मैम?
मैम मैंने नीचे तो 110 लिखा है।
Explain the notation.
67 lakh
So,
9,654.
Okay, Charan and Mehendi, we will start from you. Tell me place value of 6.
Yes, ma'am. 60 place value.
That is at which place?
10 lakh.
That is at 10 lakhs. So what will be the place value? Like 6 is at 100 place.
60 lakh. 60 lakh.
Yes. How many zeros?
0 that. 6.
मैम इसके नीचे वो वाला लिखना है जो आप लिखा रहे हो।
7. 0.
Who said?
7.
विरानी तो कुछ बोलता ही नहीं है।
मैम अभी आप जो लिखा है रहे जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 लिखा उसके नीचे लिखना है ये।
मैम 7 lakh.
दोनों.
ना 2 मिनट।
Now next.
7
Place
lakh.
value of 7.
मैम और जैनब मैम,
Yes.
ये आपने जो 60000 लिखा है प्लस 7 लिखा है वो एक आंसर है।
7 नहीं अभी लिख रही हूँ आगे. Complete incomplete है. Yes, Belim Ruhan, tell me place
ये
value of
एक
7.
आंसर है ना मैम, ये एक आंसर है ना।
Yes.
मैम वो लेफ्ट हो गया उसको रहने दो.
Okay, Anas, you tell me place value of 7.
उसके नीचे मैं ये लिख रहा हूँ बार बार बोलना मत।
मैम मैं लेफ्ट
वो
नहीं
लेफ्ट
हुआ।
हो गया है.
मैम मैं लेफ्ट नहीं हुआ।
Okay,
मैम मैं
say
लेफ्ट नहीं हुआ।
place value.
हाँ मैम क्या? मैम 7 लाख।
हाँ, how?
50.
Yes.
मैम चावल में तो बोलता है।
Mehendi is very active. Like he's not like other students.
मैम
Now,
स्टूडेंट
0 की प्लेस पे 0 आएगा मैम.
yes. And then next.
मैम प्लस 900
मैम 9,000.
1,000 because
9,000
so 1,000.
yes
Okay.
मैम
9 के बाद कॉमा.
प्लस
600.
3
Yes.
600
50 50 पे प्लस.
4
So this is expanded notation and this is word form. There are
जैनब
two
मैम,
different- Yes.
ये आपने इतना बड़ा आंसर लिखा है वो एक का है।
हाँ, इतना बड़ा yes.
मैम आपको मेरी बुक दिखाऊं?
मैम ये मैंने ये सब लिख डाला, दूसरा शुरू करो नहीं।
This is that question too. Okay, answers.
मैम
This one is
आंसर तो पक्का है. स्क्रीनशॉट
and this one is expanded form. Okay, this one.
मैम स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया, थैंक यू।
Do that only. What shall I expect from you?
आंसर लिख डालूं?
Now this is question 3, which we will start.
आदमी बाकी सब लिखना बाकी है।
एक आंसर तो लिखने दो।
मैम मेरे बाकी है.
Homework. Do that in
मैम
all of you.
मैम मैं ये करो.
मैम आंसर तो लिखने दो।
But if you will do honestly, then I will give time right now. But I don't think so. You will do honestly. You will do honestly. Give the time right now.
नहीं देखा।
So किसने नहीं देखा?
हेलो मैम.
Yes.
मैं कैमरा ऑन करके मेरी पेन बुक दिखाऊं?
No, not right now.
एम एस 2 मिनट था खाली.
In last few minutes you can show.
અત્યારે કેમ બધા લખે છે તમે જોઈ લો ને.
But I am presenting my screen now. That's why.
मैम 2 मिनट रुको, मेरा बाकी है।
Solve B, C, D right now. But if you will do honestly, then only. So solve B, C, D and then ask me down if you have. In both you have to write words also and expanded notation also.
मैम
मनोज देखो झूठे झूठे लिखता है, वहाँ लेफ्ट हो गया, वहाँ लेफ्ट हो गया, देखो है।
मैम अभी आप क्वेश्चन 3 लिखा रहे हो?
नहीं, I am giving the time to
नहीं।
you to solve this B, C and D. But
मैम मैं
finish
तो
5
गुड बॉय हूँ, मैं तो लिखूंगा।
and then ask me doubt if you have. One is in words and another is expanded notation.
मैम मैम
Who is calling?
मैम नंबर का मैं बोलूं आंसर।
See, first everyone will try and then we will solve one. But first you should
मैम
try.
मेरा टाइम नहीं आया।
Who?
मैम मेरे को आता है
But who?
100 का।
मैम ये आंसर एक आया पूरा बड्डा सा।
Farhan, let everyone
Yeah,
first
ma'am.
try. Then I will give you chance.
जैनब मैम
Yes.
ये पूरा बड़ा आंसर है का?
Obviously, हाँ. अभी स्क्रीनशॉट तो लिए थे बेटा तूने अनस?
हाँ लिए थे पर मुझे लगा गलत है, वो गलत है मिस।
हाँ तो उसमें देख लो कितना बड़ा आंसर है। सेम
देख लेता
आंसर।
हूँ।
And I know that you just in that answer B two answers are given. One is in words and one is like this expanded.
मैम वर्ड के साथ लिखना है, वर्ड के साथ लिखना है।
इसलिए वो सिखाया तो सही वर्ड्स का, इसलिए तो सिखाया।
ओके मैम।
अच्छा तो वर्ड लिख डालू ना मिस?
हाँ पहले वर्ड्स में और फिर ऐसे एक्सपांडेड।
ओ मिस इतना बड़ा आंसर।
हम लोग शॉर्ट में लिखे तो चल जाएगा।
Now we are starting solving B, C, D. So Farhan, you can give me answer of B. First I am giving the heading. Answer B. First you tell me in words. Okay, in answer B. We have to write in words also. So first you tell me in words this one. This is the question.
ओके मैम।
Tell me.
9 करोड़
And tell me.
CORE
CRORE. Okay. This is right spell. Then
करोड़ EIGHTLAKS लैक।
मैम 83 तो बोला नहीं मैम।
83. This is
83 लैक।
and then this is 83, which you have to write together. 83.
ओके 83 लैक
10,000
Charan, I mean,
10,000
yes, Farhan.
and 10 THOUSAND
10,000.
EIGHTHUNDERED NINE
800 नहीं बोला मैम, 100 बोला डायरेक्ट।
What happened?
मैंने एक बोला
Sometime because of network, when voice start breaking, no, then sometime because of voice is breaking, we can't hear some words. But I thought that he spoke. Huh. Okay, this way we can write in words. This is in words. The next is expanded notation. Means,
Expanded nation. I say
yes, Mehendi.
9 crore.
And tell me
9
how many
after.
zeros?
How many zero, ma'am? Zero is 7, ma'am. 7 0. And then, ma'am, 80 lakh.
80 lakh around 60.
80 lakh, ma'am, 60.
60.
And then, ma'am, 3 lakh.
Ma'am, 3 lakh में 50.
50.
And then, ma'am, 10,000. 10,000, ma'am, 40. And then
Ma'am,
zeros place only
ma'am.
0, ma'am.
Ma'am, 0.
And then zeros place only 0. Zeros place 0. Plus 800. मैम 0 तो डालो मैं प्लस करके.
That you can put here 0 wherever 0 is given, or whether next directly. The next place is hundreds
Plus
place.
800 plus 0 plus 9.
So here at tens place also 0 is given. So whether you can put 0 here or directly 9, which is at once. Okay, in words and this is in expanded. Both are given. So other students just match your answer. I think so. So much time I have given. Just match your answer.
It's the time आप इतना. तू क्या मैसेज क्यों बीजी हुआ है?
Just match these A, B, C, D that answers.
मैं वो मैच कर लो.
Yes, match.
मैं मेरा बराबर है.
मेरा थोड़ा बाकी है, नीचे तो दिखाओ ना.
It is the same.
मैम मैं 4-5 लाख ले लिया.
क्वेश्चन है का जो है बराबर.
It is the same. A I have solved. Then this B, Farhan and this Mehendi both have solved together. And C, D you can try by yourself and then just match your answer.
मैम
Yes.
हेलो
What?
मैम उसके बाद एक्सपेंडेड वर्ड में बोलूँगा मैम.
Someone else was also asking something or saying something. C and D you have to try by yourself. I want to know that you know or not. We will start question 3 now. Now how much time? It is 9:20.
आंदे जो
So you wanted to show no your book. Mandy, are you showing?
क्या सो
Mandy, I'm asking to Mandy.
स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट करो.
Yes ma'am.
Mandy, show. You wanted to show no? And Anas, did you try or